My name is Nick Bonatadabis, and this is Digital Champions, the show about helping you master the digital marketing world. On today's episode of Digital Champions, I'm talking about how to make social media easier. Well, this is simple. If you want to make your social media easier, you have to create systems. You have to create a plan. In other words, you have to create a schedule. Oh, wow, schedule? I never thought of that. Yeah, it's super easy, super simple. We just need to understand what we're going to post on each day. If we incorporate, and understand that we are going to do each thing, each category or theme each day, then we know what we're going to post every day. And generally, I recommend that we post at least once a day. If we do Monday, motivation, Tuesday, tip, Wednesday, question, get people engaged, get people communicating, get that conversation going. Thursday, testimonial. Friday, let's have some fun, do something fun. Saturday, talk about your services, different ways that you can help people. Sunday, let's have some more fun, do some documenting on what's going on in your life, share your experience, share that behind the scenes. Once you have these systems in place, once you're able to create this schedule that you know you're going to do this post each day, Monday through Sunday, it makes it really easy when you categorize these themes. Now, how can we take that to the next level? What do we post on these days? What can we share other than maybe those 7 things that I just mentioned? Because there's a number of different things, and you don't necessarily have to stay set to that theme. There's a ton of other different things that you can do. For example, you can share a tip, ask a question, inspirational quote, a day in the life of, testimonials, answer a question, a client story, a holiday post. There's tons of holidays out there. There's also lots of weird holidays like, ice cream day and pizza day and Oreo day. Tons of different things that you can share that are focused around holidays as well as national holidays. Then there's contest giveaways, highlighting your staff, talking about industry events that are going on, sharing your referral partners. Yes, highlight some of your business partners. That's great. They like referrals, you like referrals. Highlight some of your friends. They're going to be more likely to share that content because you're sharing them. Boom, you see how this affects? Utilizing this, not something that maybe you do all the time, but can be very impactful. Another thing, sharing a comic, being funny. I mentioned doing Fun Friday, such an important aspect. I talked about sharing a day in the life of. That's such an easy way to document, an easy way to share what's going on in your business. Hey, I'm out here filming, check me out, doing some awesome filming right now. So you see how you can utilize, if you were to find this exact day in which I'm filming, which I'm not gonna tell you, but there's gonna be a post of me filming. Because again, day in the life of, I'm showing behind the scenes, showing what's going on in my business, preparing to create more content. There's tons of things that are going on in your business that you can share about. People want to know about your business. People want to see the behind the scenes. People want to see who you are as a company. I've talked about, being the differentiator, showing yourself, showing the day in the life of, documenting your daily day and just like thinking of, oh, great, here, I'll post this. Generally, this is a good additional post because you don't know necessarily what's going to be going on that day. But if you can incorporate these different things and have a schedule, have a strategy, it makes everything super easy, super simple for you to be able to consistently create content without spending tons of time. So make it happen, create a schedule that works for you, and start creating content. Ready? Go. If you like this video, you are gonna love my free training. Click the link below or in this video.